Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on underline links in Slack application. So how to turn on underline links in Slack application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Slack app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Slack app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. And the See This Meaning menu will appear. Tap Menu Preferences. And tap Underline Links. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on underline links in Slack application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.